Hi everyone. So today topic is basically how to display date and time in PHP in different formats. We have multiple formats in PHP to display date and time. So to display a date in PHP, we have to use a date function, echo date. Date is a function. So I can write here as d, m and y. I will save it in my htdocs state time.php and let's have a run. So if I'm going to click, see it's showing me 6519 means today's date. And now there are different formats of date. For example, if I'm going to like put it the capital Y over here, it will display the year as full, like 2019, because earlier I have put the small y, it's showing as only 19, but now it's showing me as 2019. So if you want to go for the capital M, so the capital M will display the name of the month. What's the name of the month right now? It's May. So it will display the name of the month, and the small m will display the number of the month. And if I am going to put a capital D over here, so how does it work? So today is Monday, so the capital D will display the day of the week. The only D will display the date of the particular month, and the capital D will be display the day of the week. So that was all about the date function. So now moving to the time functions in PHP. So before proceeding to the date time function, there are some extra date function, like if we have to display the current time. So it's H, it's for hour, I is for minute, and S is for second. So hour, minutes and second. If I'm going to refresh this, it's giving me the time as 8:10. So basically it's giving me the the USA time, the universal time. So in order to get the current time, I will just set time zone default time zone in PHP. So I will just you can say uh, right now my time zone is Calcutta, so I will just put here at the top of the screen, and it's called Calcutta. So if I'm going to refresh this, now it's giving me the right time. It's 11:41 p.m. right now here is in India. So now we have set basically whenever you are going to display a time, it will be showing you the universal standard time. So in order to get your own time, own the Asia Calcutta time, you have to set date default time zone set function that will display the current time what is right now in your country. So in the same way we can display the time of this Canada by setting the date default time zone set to Canada. Okay, so moving to the time functions, we have done as h, I and s, hour, minute and second. I'm just copying this. Now something like f and the d for date, year. So if I'm going to want to display AM PM over here is, then C. So May is the D, the day of the month, and day 6, year 2019, 11 is the hour, I is the minute, 42 minute, 9 is a second, and A is the AM PM, like whatever right now. If you want to display it in the 12 hours format, so you have to put a A over here. because it will display right now as PM. So moving to the next part, it's echo date. So echo date, if I am going to display it in small, so HI and A, so it will display in the small letters, the AM PM. Okay, so moving to the time functions now. So let it be timestamp. I'm getting the current time in the let it be echo timestamp. So this is the default timestamp right now. From this timestamp we are going to fetch the time. Okay, so this is the time zone timestamp right now. So we are going to fetch the time from the timestamp. So for that is echo date. It's F D Y, then it's R, and then it's minute, and then it's second, comma. So making a current time from the variable timestamp is say echo date. I am going to display over here like a break function so that we can have an. So right now it's my 6. F denotes the month and the D denotes the date, and Y 2019 the timestamp means from the current time we have fetched the current date and time. So the next part is if we want to make a date. Uh, Timestamp. So right now these are the date and time functions for that you can use in the PHP. Thanks for watching. In the next tutorial I will be telling you how to extend the days in the current date and how to subtract and having executing a query into the database. Thanks for watching.